Hi everyone, today we are going to solve question number 4 for the CKA exam practice question. The question says, do the following in namespace default, create a single pod named ready if service ready of image nginx 1.16.1 Alpine, configure a liveness probe which simply runs true, also configure a readiness probe which does check if the URL is reachable. You can use this command, start the pod and confirm it isn't ready because of the readiness probe. So let's start with creating our pod. Let's copy the name of the pod. We are using kindcluster with one control plane node. Run name of the pod, image. For image we have nginx image. We will do a dry run with client -o YAML, and we will save this to temp folder with the name 4.yaml, vim 4.yaml. First let's remove the unnecessary arguments. And we have to add liveness probe and readiness probe, so we will be starting it from scratch here. Just type in the search bar, let's just type liveness probe. We will go to this link, configure liveness, readiness and startup probes, and here we will go to define a liveness command. In this section, just copy this part from the YAML configuration file, paste it in our YAML configuration. For the command, we will be using just a simple command of true. We don't need the second command, so let's delete it. Now we will have to add a readiness probe, or for the readiness probe we will go to the same documentation page and then click on define readiness probe. Copy this part here, paste it under liveness probe, adjust the indentation. Okay, now let's go to the command section and add some commands here, -c, and here actually why not change this one. We will go to our question and copy this command here, copy, and under the double quotes paste it. We will save and quit. We will apply this -f temp/4.yaml. It has been created. Get all. It will list our pod. It is in the running state, however it is not ready. Let's go to our second part. Create a second pod named I am ready of image nginx 1.16.1 Alpine with label id cross server ready. The already existing service am I ready should now have second pod as endpoint. So we have a service here, service am I ready, with a type of cluster IP and a cluster IP. Here it is a IP address. We have to create a second pod with the name of am I ready. Let's copy the name. Let's say image. For image, again we will be using the image nginx image, and for labels we will set a label of id equals to cross server ready. Enter. Get all, and it is in the running state. Let's see that this pod also goes into ready state. Yes, now it is coming into ready state. It is running and also it is ready, 1 out of 1. So now the first part should be in the ready state. Confirm that yes, it is in the ready state. One more thing, let's check out the endpoint for this service also. Copy k get ep endpoint and the name of the service, and it is showing us the endpoints for endpoint of this IP. Let's just recheck. Confirm k get pod -o wide, and we can confirm it that this IP address is equal to this IP address because of the ID that we applied. So that's it for today. Thank you.